Finally.
All right, so finally we have reached, the point, the spot of, Bhalukpong. Bhalukpong was just, 5-star. चलो थोड़ा आगे से आते हैं.
चलो.
थोड़ा आगे से आते हैं. And this is the view of the Bhalukpong. It's nice actually in Assam and Arunachal. So we are having a good time, man. Having a good time. Water is so cold. It's coming directly from glacier, from glacier of Arunachal and the upper Himalayas. So the average temperature I think will be around 0 degree or 1 degree. So yeah, the mighty Kameng river of Arunachal. So yeah, we're having a good time, having a good time.